Let's solve the equation. 5 raised to power x is equal to 25. In expanded form, 5 raised to power x is also equal to 5 times 5, which is also equal to 5 raised to power 2. Since both sides of the equations have the same base, x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 is the solution to the above equation. Let's also try another example. Let's solve the equation 9 raised to power x is equal to 27. Expanding, we have 3 times 3 all raised to power x is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. 3 raised to power 2 also raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Expanding the bracket, we have 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Since both sides of the equation have the same base, 2x is equal to 3. Let's also divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have x to be equal to 3 over 2, which can also be simplified further to be equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2. X equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2 is the solution to the above equation.